Yes, that's right. We are back with another video. Chad Outdoors. Got the Brute Force 750 behind me. Today, we're going to talk about the big gun exhaust. Hope the wind noise isn't too crazy right now, but try to block it with my hand. Yeah, big gun exhaust. We've got the EXO flip-on stainless steel. Take a look. Had it for about, I'd say, close to a year now. Haven't really washed it off much other than a water hose, maybe a pressure washer. So yeah, as you can see, it's the EXO stainless steel. Even the welds and all look good. Of course, being stainless, you shouldn't see any rust. So let's take a look. It looks good, no rust. I haven't babied it, and like I said, I put it up wet sometimes. It still looks good. How has it been? Well, folks, it's been good. It's been great. Let's take a quick listen to hear how it sounds. It's got a little more rumble to it. Definitely more aggressive. It sounds really good, but not annoying at all. Also, what I did when I installed it was I added the tuner that was recommended to go with it. It's still right here. So as you can see, it's mounted in right there. If you want to see my video on how to install this stuff, I've got one. And that works really good. So when you start it up, you'll see some light. I think it settles on 1 or 2 every time. I haven't messed with tuning it, but you can definitely go to different modes. With the different modes, you can get more performance, but it says it was optimized from the factory for the best settings all around, so not as good as that. And yeah, everything else is going well. I definitely recommend it. It feels like it gave it a bit more throttle response, like instant throttle response, but I wouldn't say night and day difference. It just, I don't know if it's part of having that sound makes you feel like you're getting going a little faster, a little more power, but it is what it is. You know, you got it. It's got some noise. People look at it, and we hit the throttle, it goes. So I had a lot of fun with it. Easy mod, not too expensive, and quality. Yeah, I even had this thing fully underwater. I got this thing soaking wet too. Nothing shorted out. We're doing good. Only thing next, I would say, is next mod. There's not many left. What we're gonna start doing is going over some more tests. And anyone want to make a comment what you want to see, let me know. We're going to be doing some more videos and probably going to be buying a new machine here, but not getting rid of this Brute Force, so we'll just get another machine instead. Might get a new set of tires. I got a hole in this seal back here. Let's see, where's she at? I got to put some air in it before the video started. There we go. It's got a plug and a sidewall. Don't recommend that. Can't believe it still is holding. And I wouldn't go high speed with it, but I have. But anyway, very good machine. Most definitely a good mod that you can do to the Brute Force. Recommend the big gun. Stainless steel is nice. Stayed looking good like we just saw. Let's pop the seat back on. Fire it up. I see some rocks over there. Let's do a little rock climb. See what she's got. Everybody likes to see a little ride. Nothing too crazy today. Go down the low. Let's just keep it in 2-wheel drive for now. Some big rocks. Having the Elka Stage 3, I got about 2 to 3 inch lift. I think it's sitting at about 2-inch lift on it right now. I changed the setting from 4 to 2 recently. Seems to be and that's just no problem at all. Y'all can hear the throttle response. It's good. Not getting any funky feedback or noises or backflowing. Yep. fresh content. See you soon. Thank you. Bye. If you want to float across something, just take the old Brute Force with some noodles on it.